Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Invest. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about: investing strategies to help you reach your $1 million goal. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to level up your investment game, these strategies will set you on the path to success. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the strategies, remember that investing involves risks, and it's important to do thorough research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Our first strategy is diversification. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments. Diversification helps reduce risk by not putting all your eggs in one basket. Next up, we have the power of compounding. By reinvesting your investment earnings, you can take advantage of compound interest, which can greatly accelerate your wealth building journey over time. Dollar cost averaging is a smart strategy for long term investors. Instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount regularly. This helps you buy more shares when the prices are low and fewer shares when the prices are high, ultimately averaging out your costs. Having a long-term perspective is crucial. The market can be volatile in the short term, but historically it has shown a positive trend over the long haul. Stick to your investment plan and avoid making emotional decisions. Another important aspect is tax-efficient investing. Make sure you're taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts such as IRAs and 401ks to minimize your tax liability and maximize your returns. Lastly, never stop learning. The world of investing is constantly evolving. Read books, follow financial news, and stay informed about market trends. Education is a powerful tool to make informed decisions. And there you have it: 5 essential investing strategies that can help you reach your $1 million goal. Remember, achieving financial success takes time and patience. By diversifying your investments, harnessing the power of compounding, practicing dollar cost averaging, maintaining a long term perspective, and continuing to learn, you're setting yourself up for a brighter financial future. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Until next time, happy investing.